I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the unit and isolating obvious faults. First, remove any scale mat and place the device on a hard, level floor so readings aren't skewed. Once done, swap batteries for new cells or plug in a verified adapter. Low power often causes drift. Then look under the platform. Loose screws, displaced feet, or visible debris can prevent proper contact. If you see bent parts or corrosion, note their location. You'll address them next. You'll need to remove the cover to inspect the load cell and electronics. Carefully unscrew the housing, place screws in order, and photograph assembly for reassembly reference. Once inside, examine the load cell joints and sensor pads for hairline cracks or displaced adhesives. A damaged load cell causes inconsistent readings. Check wiring and PCB solder joints for cold solder or corrosion. Clean electrical contacts with isopropyl alcohol, and you're finishing with calibration and verification. Reassemble the unit, tighten screws evenly, and place it on a stable floor. Power up and perform a zero or tear reset, then calibrate using a certified weight or a reliable object of known mass. This aligns the sensor's output to real values. If readings still drift, run the service mode diagnostics or consider replacing the load cell module. Finally, check for external vibration or uneven feet as a troubleshooting tip if intermittent errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.